Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing a waste, nothing a dash way.
Wagwan, what's great? Chef John Marks again presents to you my red pea soup recipe. Yeah man, I hate. Now that I have your attention and you have already subscribed, it's time to show you how to prepare this soup. So here are the ingredients that you'll need to complete this wonderfully made Jamaican red peas beef soup. So on my right here I have fresh thyme, scotch bonnet pepper and scallion, also known as green onions. Now over here I have my dough, which is made up of flour, cornmeal, salt and water, and this will be made for the dumplings. Now as you can see here, this is my yam. They're a bit brown because they got oxidized before I could add the lime juice to prevent that. So no need to worry about these, because whenever time they go in the soup and cook, that will be all gone. And here I have some salt beef soaking in water, and of course sweet potato. This will help with the thickening of your soup at the end, because all the starch from the sweet potato helps your soup to thicken out real nice. So here I have the red kidney beans that was soaking overnight in 4 cups of water, and this helps to rehydrate and tenderize the pods. I also added fresh thyme, garlic and pimento. Now the pimento helps to give flavor to the soup and also to tenderize the peas and the beef. I'm adding here my chicken base to add flavor to the peas and also to prevent it from boiling over when it comes to that point. Here I have some beef soup mix. We're going to sift this and set aside for later. Next up we're going to add our salt beef, which has been soaking for about 20 minutes in water to take away some of the excess salt, so that the soup isn't salty. Because remember, we're going to add that beef soup mix, all purpose and those stuff, but we're not going to add those until this comes to a boil and we taste what it is like with the salt content of the beef. After about 40 minutes into cooking, we're going to add our dumplings and the rest of our ground provision. Dumpling goes in first because these take a longer time to cook. We're going to top that up with some fresh water, and then we're going to add our sweet potatoes, our yams, which are yellow and white, and we're going to allow this to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. Over time, because we have already received the flavor from it. Now we're going to add our coconut cream, the soup beef mix, and allow that to simmer for about 10 more minutes. Now look at that, beautiful. As you can see, the peas is almost cooked, and same goes for the beef. Now I want to let these cook for about another 20 minutes to get tender. Now it's time to taste and adjust your season to your liking. Look like somebody never subscribed. That was black pepper before. Now this is our all-purpose seasoning, and of course more fresh thyme, scallion, or otherwise known as green onion, and our scotch bonnet pepper. Now we leave the stem on the pepper so it's easier to remove at the end of our cooking. Now some people like their soup this soupy, I don't, so I'm going to cook for another 20 more minutes. At this point, you may be wondering, why is he changing the soup to a different pot? Wonder no more. I have a next soup coming pretty soon. I made 2 soups in one day. Yeah man, 2 soup. Maybe your favorite too. Look at that. Soup perfectly made. This is at the right consistency that I drink my soup. Not too thick, not too thin. If you want yours to be a bit thicker, just let it cook a little bit longer. And remember to leave all your comments below. Let us know what next you'd like to see us prepare here on Morris Time Cooking Aid. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw here today. And hashtag the word Morris Time Cooking on Instagram to let us see if you've learned anything here and prepared it. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, safe travel on the gravel and big up on yourself.
Realest. Me know about sardine, mackerel, bully beef, chicken foot, chicken neck, chicken back. Nothing I waste, nothing I dash way.